guys, today I'll show you how to change the hood wire. It's not working well, so this is the part number I'm going to use. I bought this one from Volvo dealer, so I'll show you how to change it. First of all, we are going to open this air filter, and this is the sensor. We are going to unplug, and now we are going to open these two bolts. Is here. There you go. After that bolts, we are going to remove this one. This is the sensor wire. Okay, so now we have to open this full mount. It's behind this wire, so we have to move this. I'll show you. It's all 1, 2, 3, 4 bolt here. Yeah, this is the second one. It's opening the bolt from the top. We already opened the from the bottom one. Yeah, now we are going to remove this mount nicely. Okay, so this is the wire coming from the top. That's why we have to remove this zip tie, and then we are going all the way to other side. Now we are taking this out, all zip ties, so all the way into the front side to the driver. Now we are going to open this hood wire from clinch. So this is the spring is working good. The wire was bad, so it was loose, that's why. We are going to open the screw. There's 2 screws here. Okay, so we open that 3 nuts from here, from the middle, and now there you go. Okay, now we are going to join the wire, so then we're gonna pull this, so this will go inside. This is the easy way. Okay, so this is the wire we are going to pull. Slowly. Okay, so wire is already came from the outside, so he's opening the tape now where we connect this wire. There you go. This is the wire. So this is fixed here. We already put the both locks. You can see here. So these are the wire now. It's working good. See, it's tight. So I show you from the outside. We're gonna put zip ties. Okay, so this is the hood wire. It's already came from inside like this. So he's going to put it here. Yeah. So we are going to adjust the wire now with the lynch hook. We are putting this back. Yeah, it's going underneath. Okay, so now we are going to put this wire, and we are going to adjust the wire now. There you go. Yeah, make sure this bolt is nut is tight, and this one too. Yeah, there you go. It's tight now. Make sure it's not loose, so this is good. Now we are going to put that mount back. Make sure from the top is inside. Okay. Okay. So this is the last step. So now we are going to put that air filter back. There you go. It has just 2 bolts here. Also we're gonna tighten up the clamp. Okay, so this is the last one. And after that we're gonna tighten up the clamp, the other side. So thank you very much for watching my video, guys.